All right, hello everyone, this is Mr. Crozier. I'm going to go over our homework from last night to help you get ready for the test. Problem number one, we're looking at a scale factor from a large shape to a small shape. So first thing I know is that has to be smaller than 1 because the sides are getting smaller. So I just picked a pair. 12 times k is 8. So I solve for k, and the scale factor is 2/3. Again, if you want to look at it a different way, you always put the new shape divided by the old shape. The new shape was 8, the old shape was 12. It's a scale factor of 2/3 because it went down. Then you have to identify the congruent angles. All of the corresponding angles match, and all of the corresponding sides are in proportion. AB divided by EF, and all the way around in proportion. On number 3, we're solving for a missing side. Now what you're going to have to do on this one is rotate this shape around so it's facing this way, and now the 3 is over here and the x is over here. So now you can write a proportion. X goes with 15 and 7 goes with 21, and then you solve this proportion. You go 21 times x is equal to 7 times 15 is 105. Divide both sides by 21, and you will get to 5. What I do a lot of times is I'll stop right here, and I'll just multiply those two and divide by 21 all on one line. On number 5, what you're going to see on number 5 is all of the angles are congruent in that figure, and I wrote two proportions here, and I matched up the sides. They are two rectangles. I'm going to draw them real quick for you. The two rectangles were here and here. This is 15 and 9. This is 25 and 15. And if you match them up, you will see that this is a true proportion. 9 times 25 is 225, and 15 times 15, everything is in proportion. Number 7, if you find the missing angle here, you only have one angle that's the same, so they are not similar. Remember, for similar triangles, we need side, angle, angle, or all three sides in proportion, and we only have one angle there. In this diagram, we have a 35, and these are vertical, so we have two angles the same. This triangle, Q to R to S, to T to U to V, is similar by angle, angle, angle. On number 11, we have a tower that has a 72 shadow and a tree that has a 6 shadow. H over 27, 72 over 6. If you write a proportion, you can solve it without the scale factor. 13. Are these proportional? Well, they both have an angle Q. And the little triangle is 9. Let me draw this big triangle out here. The big triangle is going to look like this, and it's going to be 9 plus 4.5 is 13.5, and 7 here is 21. So here's my small triangle, and here's my large one. 9 here, 14 there, cross multiply. We have two sides in proportion and an angle. They are similar by side, angle, side. On 15, they give you 3 measurements of a triangle, and I just put them around in the same order. Here, 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 here. I set up a proportion, solved it, and got 5. Solved for the other x and got 5. So if I have 5 and 5, they're going to match. They will be proportional if x is 5. On number 7, the question is, are they parallel? Well, again, I always turn this triangle up, make it stand up tall. And this is now 16 and 10, and this is now 28 and 20 if I were to rotate this. And then I ask myself, 16 over 10, 20 over 20, is that proportional? No, that means it's not parallel. On number 19, they tell you they are parallel, so you can write this simple proportion, solve it. And again, this one, I always turn them up in my mind so they are standing up. And I put A at the top, and this is X and 4, and this is 18 and 10. And once you stand it up, you can see your proportion, X over 4, 18 over 10, cross multiply and divide,
7.2.
All right, I hope this helps with your homework. You will have questions like this on our test coming up shortly. Have a great day.